Hey guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playas del Coco. It's late October. It's supposed to be low season. I don't know. I just got back into the Liberia Airport a couple days ago and it was busier than I've ever seen it. So we're here in 2022. Once again, this is Playas del Coco. If this is your first time joining us here in Sights and Sounds, be sure to like, follow, subscribe for more videos, more travel videos, more Costa Rica videos. Leave us a comment with any requests you have, any questions. If I see something I don't know what it is, leave a comment below. Let me know why you want to come to Costa Rica. There's so many people here. So what the deal is this supposed to be low season in October. Many of these businesses are actually just reopening. Oh, there's Le Coq. Check them out. Really good shawarma. They have chocolate hummus. Chocolate hummus. Check out their chocolate hummus. They're at Le Coq. Really good people in there. So these guys, all these businesses were just closed for a couple weeks, presumably because it was low season, but there's nothing low about this right now. There's tons of people here. And that's awesome. It's good to see. Playas del Coco is a really good spot. It's close to the Liberia Airport. It's close to tons of beaches. There's tons of beaches. We're gonna head down to the beach here in Playas del Coco. But if you're coming to this area, Coco's a bigger town with some bars. It's got more action, you know. So if you're coming to Guanacaste, definitely check out Playas del Coco. It's in the middle of the Four Seasons Resort out in the Papagayo Peninsula and kind of in between Tamarindo. So it's a good middle-sized town. Lots of different stuff you can check out. There's Coconuts Bar. It's not as busy as I've seen it. We're out here on a Saturday night, so if you come down here to Coco, check out Coco Nuts. Let's cross the street here. There's some cool places over here. Rent a golf cart. Rent a golf cart while you're in Coco. So here in Costa Rica, if you can drive it to the licensing center, apparently you can get plates on it, so that includes golf carts. That's pretty cool. So check out this place right here, Masala Indian restaurant. Had that one time, it's really good. Check out the yogurt place and the hot dog. This is a new hot dog place right here. Outstanding. Everybody loves a hot dog. Hot dog on a hot day. And it's getting hot here in Costa Rica. It's not going to rain here in Guanacaste for about 4 months. If you need some souvenirs, this is the souvenir shop I would go to. This place has everything. They got everything there. There's a pharmacy here. If you're here in Costa Rica, you need some pills. Check that pharmacy out. There's nothing low about this, guys. This is busy. This is fun. Costa Rica's exploding, I think. Just in the year and a half I've been here, I've seen it get busier and busier. Everybody wants to travel. Everybody wants to escape the frigid tundra to the north. Well, leave me a comment why you're coming to Costa Rica. I'd like to know. Where are you heading to? Where you want me to visit and film? So if you're coming to Coco here, you go down this road, you may have seen Las Palmas. It's a little development there. There's tons of condos that you probably are going to be staying in. It's on yonder down that road to give you an idea of where you'll be at. So as we get closer to the beach, it doesn't get any less busy. Everybody's coming to the beach in Playas del Coco. Super nice. We're just approaching dusk right now, so the sun's gonna go down. Now this is the split here. There's a soccer field right here that the kids play soccer on sometimes. It's really nice, and there's tons of tourist shops down here. So everybody's heading to the beach. Everybody's heading to the beach. Love it. There's a cigar shop up here. If you fancy cigars, I get cigars there sometimes. They're nice. You can also get cigars in this shop here if you're into your cigars. Now, if you come down here and park, let's say you come to Coco and you park here, just expect to bring a couple mil cologne, a couple dollars, if you will, because there's people that will watch your car. These fine folks will watch your car for you. There's a new shop here too, Mercado Organico. These guys have all the organic stuff. It's new. Check them out if you forget to pack your, you know, your vegan wheat flakes. I don't know if they have that, but definitely check them out. I bought some food in there. It's good stuff. Oh yeah, we're looking busy. It's looking good. There's a bar here on the beach. Come down and have a drink, a wobbly pop. Oh wow, everybody's down here. This is not low season. Come on, low season. Look at the beach. There's the tree. That's the sitting tree, if you will. Everybody sits at that tree and has their drinks. Now, something new for my being back, at least, is that out there in the water. I'll zoom in on that. That's a little inflatable thing I've seen in other places. Look at the beach here. That's cool. All the boats are parked. It's such a good beach. We're at low tide right now, so you can see the rocks exposed right here. At high tide, those would be fully submerged. You'll sometimes see rays. If you want to go swimming in a little bit more secluded area, you can go farther north up the beach there. And this is the main path. So there's actually some showers down here. You can shower off if you're getting all sandy. And all these bars here, bars and restaurants right along the beach, you can hang out. I think there's a fish spot right here. They look like they're open. That's cool. You can put your fish and get your feet in fish tanks. I don't do that stuff. If you're into that stuff, there it is. There it is. Check it out. Let's go down on the pier. So busy. Can't even believe it. This is busier than I often see it in high season. Cool. So here's the pier. Come out here and do your photos. It's a good place to take some photos. All right, so when I was back in Canada, I bought a little toy. So let's throw this thing up and we'll fly around here on the beach and see how it looks. Alright guys, so there you have it. Nice drone shot of Playas del Coco. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe once again. Check out the link below if you want to get one of these. It's a really great tool. Check out sightsandsounds.co for more of these videos and a write-up description of everything we talked about in this video. Hope to see you soon here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
Bye.